circuit, so they use this board, right? This board is known as project board, and in some countries this board is also known as breadboard, right? You see it has a hole like a bread, right? The holes over the bread. Okay, so this is a project board, or you can say this is a breadboard, right? Okay, project board or bread, right? Bread, all right? So it has hole like a bread. So first you have to understand how this board work, right? So in this board you will see these lines, right? We have two rows, first row, second row, and two rows we have here and two rows we have here, right? So these rows, they are used to make the board positive or negative. Means these lines, these holes, they are used to give power supply to the board, right? This is our power supply. So from this power supply I can give a desired voltage, maybe 3 volt, maybe 2 volt, maybe 4 volt. So these wires from the battery, right, I will put here. Either here on the upside you can use, same thing, means you are free to use the upper part of the board or the lower part of the board, right? Because this is a very symmetrical board, right? So you can use one side as a positive and other line as a negative. Okay, any one line as a positive means if you connect this is our power supply, right? In the power supply we have plus, red is plus and black is negative, right? So one wire is positive, so you can put positive wire here, okay, like this, and negative wire here. Okay, okay, so let me put here, this is my plus, okay, so I am putting the plus here, this is plus, okay, and other one is negative. I can put negative here also, no problem. Okay, so now I gave power to my board, right? So this is positive and this is negative. Okay, let me check again. This is positive, right, and this is negative. Okay, clear how you can connect the positive and negative. Now when this is given the power supply, so be careful from the positive side. Now you have to give power to your resistance, means you have to give voltage to your resistance. Now use a wire, okay, use a wire, and anywhere you can connect, right? Because all the terminals, everywhere you have a positive now, right? So you can use here, you can use here, so or let me use this side. This is positive, okay? So now I will connect the positive to the resistance, right? You can do the connection like this, right? You cannot use this wire here. If you use this wire here, the resistance will not get the power. Okay, this is the method you have to use the board, right? Slowly you will understand, right? So the wire is connected now to the positive of the, now the current will start from here, right, positive, and then from here it will go to the resistance, and then to the other resistance. You see these two resistances are in series. Okay, you can see the second part of the first wire that is connected to the first part of the second resistance, right? So this is a series combination, two resistances in series like this. I am drawing the first one, right? And then I will use a LED, light emitting diode. Where is the LED? I put the LED here. LED check. Miss, give me extra LED. Okay. Okay, so this is the LED. LED has two terminals. The longer leg is known as positive and the shorter is negative. Okay, so now what I will do, I will connect the longer wire to the second resistance and shorter wire to the negative. Okay, if LED glow, it means the connection is okay.
Wow.
Okay, so this is a series circuit. Okay, so from keeping in mind this circuit, you can design your circuit now.